Want to know how to enable adjusting your settings according to your device? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Game of Thrones Kingsroad game. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing this 3 hamburger icon. So this is the settings icon, so you can just simply select it right here, the 3 hamburger icon. So once you've selected it, on the right side you should be seeing gears icon right below notification. Just simply select it. So once you have selected the gears icon, this is the options for the settings tab. And once you're there, make sure you're under video. So once you're under video, you can just simply scroll down a little bit. And once you've done that, you should be provided with performance right here. And under performance, you should be seeing auto adjust settings when overheating. So you can just simply turn this on right here. It's off by default for me. So once you have turned it on, it should automatically adjust your settings if it's on higher settings. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.